oftentimes when we want to burp our baby up on our shoulder, we get them in this sweet spot where they're nice and snuggly, and then wonder why they don't want to burp. They get all curled up. Mama smells good. I want to go to sleep. So we need to bring them up over our shoulder, try and get the hands up there. Then we start from the tailbone and work our way up. This allows us to put some pressure on that belly and also for the babies to not snuggle up as much as directly on our chest.